China WELONG was founded in 2001, which currently has 14 sets of various press machines, ranging from 630 tons to 4,000 tons. It has passed the IATF 16949 certification and possesses all production capabilities from mold design and processing, forging, heat treatment, machining to delivery. It can produce various precision die forgings ranging from 0.1 kilogram to 200 kilograms, with an annual production capacity of 60,000 tons. The products cover automobiles, construction machinery, petrochemicals, agricultural machinery, mining machinery, railway machinery, and power fittings, etc. Material storage and protection. Physical and chemical testing, sampling for optical emission spectrometry (OES), ultrasonic testing (UT), or metallographic testing. Visual inspection, apply traceability labels, store materials in categorized zones. We have several materials, such as low carbon, medium carbon, alloy steel, stainless steel, high temperature alloys, copper alloys, bronze, etc. Material management serves as a critical component in ensuring production efficiency, cost control, and product quality. It encompasses end-to-end process control from raw material procurement to finished goods dispatch. Inventory turnover is tracked via ERP systems, with strict adherence to the first in, first out (FIFO) principle to prevent long-term stockpiling that may degrade. Material properties, for example, age hardening in aluminum alloys. Automated temperature control equipment production line, equipped with electronic digital displays for real-time monitoring of heating temperatures and an automatic alarm system. Supplementary handheld infrared thermometers are used for coordinated control to ensure constant heating temperatures, fully meeting pre-forging temperature requirements. High alloy steels, for example, H13 die steel, require a multi-stage heating process to prevent cracking. Surface treatment, glass lubricant is sprayed, applied during titanium alloy die forging to prevent oxidation. We have totally 10 units CNC electric screw presses and 4 units hot die forging presses. Batch traceability. Records for each material batch are linked to corresponding forgings, including forging temperature, deformation rate, bound to a unique traceability code. Process monitoring. Automated temperature control equipment with electronic digital displays enables real-time heating temperature monitoring and automatic alarm systems. Supplementary handheld infrared thermometers ensure constant heating temperatures, fully meeting pre-forging temperature requirements. Scrap recycling, flash and cutoffs are sorted and collected. Inspection and isolation, qualified forgings are transferred to machining workshops. Non-conforming products are marked and quarantined, evaluated for rework or scrap. Data management and optimization. MES or ERP systems, real-time updates on inventory status, material consumption rates, and supplier performance data. Cost analysis, calculation of material utilization rate, for example, forging net weight, raw material input to optimize blanking plans. In-house 45-meter isothermal normalizing production line, partnered with multiple IATF 16949 certified heat treatment facilities. Processing capabilities include normalizing, annealing, quenching and tempering, carburizing, nitriding, and induction heat treatment. Quality assurance services. Batch management. Heat treatment curve charts. Metallographic structure testing. Depth inspection reports. Carburizing, nitriding, induction hardening. Tensile testing. Hardness testing. Secondary shot blasting is performed to eliminate the oxide scale generated during heat treatment, ensuring consistent metallic coloration across the product surface. (200 sets CNC machines, 50 sets machining centers, 4 automated production lines. Machining capabilities: turning, milling, boring, drilling, etc. Annual output: 10 million precision components. Automotive systems, rail transit infrastructure, construction machinery, gear transmission assemblies. Forging capacity: 60,000 plus metric tons or year. Four-axis machining center. Machining center. Fully automated robotic arm. CNC Machining Center HCL 300. CNC Machining Center XG52A. Machine tool. Coordinate measuring machine. Robust process control quality system, clear inspection protocols, precision measurement equipment including CMM, profilometers, optical projectors, etc., and regular third-party calibration of inspection tools ensure consistent quality compliance. automatic spray cleaning, and protective coating system. High-pressure oil spray cleaning removes contaminants and residues effectively. Automatic oil coating ensures uniform anti-rust protection. High-force air blowing controls oil distribution and minimizes excess. Facing today, WELONG strives to create with confidence, continuously striving to become an international supply chain integration service provider giant with high-quality products, reliable quality, and honest service, aiming to empower the world with the best supply chain in China.